Well, fortunately, that was all hers, and there were cupcakes and treats for everyone else. Welcome to Shell's Sugar Rush. Welcome back if you've been here before. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you this adorable Mini Brands cake ball that I made for my granddaughter's 8th birthday. She absolutely loves Mini Brands. So my daughter sent me a picture of this object and asked me to make it into a cake. And that is exactly what I did. So if you enjoy things like this, stick around and watch me put it together. Okay, so I've got my buttercream and I'm just using American buttercream for this cake. So right now, I'm just gonna stack it and fill it and then put it in the fridge for a little bit to let everything kind of firm up before I start to carve the ball. Okay, so I think I'm ready to carve up my cake. We'll see. I don't have any half sphere pans, so I did just bake, like I said, the 6-inch layers, and I'm just gonna carve it myself. So hopefully I don't hack it up in the process. But I've got a couple of knives here, and this is gonna be pretty messy, but I've also got kind of a 6-inch bowl to kind of use as a guide. So we'll see what happens. Okay, so I think I'm gonna stop there just because, you know, the more you carve, the more you take away. So I'm gonna stop while I'm ahead here. Let me know what you guys think about this in the comments. I think I've got it about as round as I can get it now. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do now is give it a nice, you know, a generous crumb coat with some buttercream and then chill it so we can put our fondant on top. Okay, so I think we look pretty good here, and I'm gonna pop this back into the freezer for about 20 minutes or so, and then we'll cover it with fondant. Okay, so our cake is chilled and it's firm to the touch, so we're gonna roll out some fondant and cover it up. Okay, so now we're gonna brush it with a little bit of the rose gold diamond dust, and then I'll apply my icing sheet transfers. So here is our completed Mini Brands ball cake. Be sure and let me know what you think about it in the comments. And if you enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And don't forget, if you haven't already, make sure you hit the subscribe button and that notifications bell so you'll be notified when I upload more videos in the future. And keep an eye out for those mini brands Brownie Pops coming up soon.